Lately, high-action roller coaster videos in extreme natural conditions produced with artificial intelligence are getting a lot of engagement and views. In this video, I will show you how you can create this type of content yourself and the logic behind it. First, open ChatGPT. Paste the specially updated main command line, master prompt, that I prepared for this concept into the message box. You can quickly customize the variables within the master prompt manually or with the help of an AI tool to fit the specific length and script of the video you want to create. You can find this master prompt and detailed instructions on how to use it in the Master Prompts channel of our free Telegram group, which is linked among the links to our communities in the video description. Because the duration of these types of videos is short and based on fast consumption, I requested one image prompt and one video prompt for my prompt. First, copy the first generated image prompt and go to OpenArt AI. In OpenArt, select the Create Image option and choose the Nano Banana 2 model. Paste the image prompt you copied into the prompt section and select the 9:16 vertical format. Depending on your budget, you can choose different resolutions and image generation models. After our image is created, select the Frame to Video, Convert Frame to Video section. I place the visual I created into the Start Frame section. Return to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt I created, return to OpenArt, and paste your video command into the command box. I am using Veo 3.1 as the video production model. You can use different video production models according to your preference. Afterward, make sure the audio setting is on. I choose the fast mode to get suitable and quick results as the video production mode. At this stage, I recommend the quality mode for those with a budget for higher quality results, and the light model for those with a lower budget. I select the 9:16 vertical format and set it to 720p quality and 8 seconds of video length. You adjust your output preferences to obtain high quality resolution and longer or shorter videos. Then click the Create button. Of course, most importantly, while producing this kind of content for YouTube, do not forget that copying content exactly and producing low-quality content without making any changes is a policy violation. Do not forget to adapt, personalize, and share the types of content you are inspired by or want to do something similar to by adding value yourself. The final result of the video we produced will look something like this.
Woo! Let's go!
To improve your content production and editing skills, you can join our free communities via the link in the description. There, you can chat with like-minded people and support us on our journey to build the largest global content creation community. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like the video, share your suggestions and requests in the comments, and subscribe to the channel.